landing page versus website. What is the difference and which of these makes you money fast? In this video, I'll help you decide when to use landing page and when to promote your website. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to check out other videos on the channel. Alright, so straight up, a landing page is a one-page website that is focused on one particular product or service. Like this page, for instance, okay? I'm trying to promote a dog training product. This page will not confuse my potential customer. Why? Because the purpose of this website is to convert a customer to buy this product or to capture his or her email. Then later on, I can promote or follow up on this particular product. So this is the hard copy. Are you a dog lover or your first time petting a dog? Get the best online dog training to help you create the perfect family pet of your dream. So when you scroll down, free ebook, an insight into a mentally stimulated dog, I'm providing all the necessary information that this potential customer will be looking for. Okay, and now if this sounds familiar or interesting, enter first name and email and get access to it. And also, this is telling you that this product is created by a professional dog trainer. That's why it says professional dog training. And also a program that develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create a well-behaved pet. So this is additional information. And as well, I have my disclaimers here. And whenever you're promoting anything, you should have your disclaimer. Okay, this will prevent you from lawsuits and stuff like that. When you compare to a traditional Amazon website, this website is not promoting a particular product, but a whole bunch of products. So when you land on this page, it's gonna be a bit confusing for you as a buyer. All right. So in simple terms, this is a sales website. Over here, I'm talking about a dog training product. But when you come here, you can find it. So what you have to do as a buyer, you have to go here and type dog training. See, even here, you have to go through. Now, let me add dog training guide. So let's click on this, for instance. So I'll click on this. So right here, it gives you a bit about the product, like informations and stuff like that. So you have to go through and read. And on top of that, they are also promoting other product, which might get you confused as a customer. All right. So in essence, when you look at landing page and the traditional website, the landing page benefits you, the promoter or the marketer, and the potential buyer. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.